It represents the color of Filipinas. I don't think we should do anything to alter that. Not unless yun talaga ang gusto mo and it will make you happy. But for me, I'm happy with my color. And I know many Filipinas are struggling with that also because society has dictated that basta maputi, maganda. Ako, basta malinis, maganda.
Okay. Next, kamusta ang Mundo Manay Magulang?
Bongga! I'm enjoying taping. Maganda naman daw po ang takbo ng show. Maganda naman daw po ang result ng ratings. So I'm really very happy to be a part of it. Napakasarap pong katrabaho ng buong cast. Wala po kami nagiging problema. Every taping day is a joy.
Did you ever expect na natanggapin ng publiko ang Mundo Manay Magulang ng ganyan kainit?
Actually, hindi. Kasi, or actually, hindi ko siya inisip at that time. For me, I saw Mundo Manay Magulang as a challenge because I like the role. Gusto ko talaga yung role na yun. And nakita ko talaga siyang gagawin ko lang yung best ko dahil na-enjoy ko ang pag-arte.
Before sa i-embrace mo yung mga haters.
Yes.
Kasi hindi mas effective kasi lang.
Yes. You know what's surprising? I think yung audience natin ngayon, matatalino na. They're much smarter because they're able to distinguish a role from reality. So alam nila na pag nag-tweet sila sa akin, nakakainis yung role mo. Hindi yung nakakainis ka. Or sabihin man nila, naiinis ako sa'yo pero naka-hashtag Mundo Manay Magulang. So I haven't really received any personal attack na ikaw hindi kihil, wala kang kwentang tao, maldita ka. Wala pang ganon.
Pero ready ka sa ganun?
Oo naman. Siyempre matagal ko nang hinanda yung sarili ko doon. Which is why it's so... natutuwa ako dahil walang ganong violent. Meron ako naririnig pero mula sa matatanda na hindi naman nag-tweet. Mga mami, mga lola na napakamaldita ng batang yan. Marami akong naririnig na ganon. Pero directly from someone who is in social networking,
Wala naman.
Ricky, sabi ni Gladys na may very promising ka daw as kontrabida. Coming from Gladys Reyes.
Napakahusay ako ng bida.
Oo, ano ka ba? Pag sinabi mong kontrabida, Gladys Reyes, tapos, alam mo yun? Oo naman, napakalaking ego boost nun sa akin, napakalaking honor na mapansin na ako ang dami-daming bagong artista, dami-daming mas magagaling. Pero para mapansin ako ng isang Gladys Reyes na talagang namang poste na sa industriya, lalo na pagdating sa pagiging kontrabida, that means a lot to me.
Kamusta na kayo ngayon ni Billy?
We're good, we're fine, we're happy. Medyo natitense kami dahil malapit na siyang umalis.
Kailan mo siya alis?
April 30. I mean, his ticket says April 30.
Hanggang?
But anything can happen.
Hanggang ano? June.
Yun ang basa ko. But I'm sure he'll be home.
Paano pre-prepare yung sarili mo?
Siyempre, we're working on our relationship in terms of trust and binibuild namin yung foundation na yun para pag umalis siya, hindi na siya magiging issue. So, ayun, we try to spend as much time with each other and dahil alam namin we won't be able to do that when he leaves. Hanggang Skype na lang kami or FaceTime or whatnot.
Sinabi mo natatakot ka baka hindi siya bumalik.
Hindi naman, pandi-deport ko siya kung nangyari.
Pero Mara, yung fear na baka makahanap ng iba, wala kang gano'n.
Wala. Kasi malakas ang paniniwala ko ng if God meant for you to be together, He will see you through this challenge. I see this as a challenge. If anything, it will make our relationship strong.